Good evening, friends. I hope you're all doing good. Today, we saw the market actually close at the same place where it opened. Not any much of a movement which happened, or uh, in fact, I think we bought 43 500 call at around 450. Sorry, 350, and this went almost about 370, 380, and then was been trading at the same range. Uh, Very choppy market. Typically, I think the market has been waiting for the FOMC news today. So let's look at the global market because this can be a very decisive factor for the market uh, basis. So we have the major indices. Uh, Typically, most of them are flat, is what we can see, uh, and more towards the positive side. So now all depends on the FOMC news. This will be at around 12:30. You can join a Telegram channel, which is Chat Speak, and we will try being live there on the Chat Speak Telegram and see what can be picked up. Uh, what we can observe basis the charts and the data is that possibility that even if market can open a gap up, there is a more of a chance that it may slowly come closing down towards the end of day. So either the market can uh, open move like this, open up, come down, and then even close up. So anything can happen. But as I said, we are more towards the uh, bearish side, or typically the market because of the FIs, the market will slowly move down uh, at some point in time. When I say down, I wouldn't expect too huge. Anyways, we will look at what are the levels we can trade. Meanwhile, we will see what are the stocks we picked up today. We picked up Balkrishna Industries at 2128, and this made, I think, 2150. Uh, Opening itself, we this was our watch list today. Divis Lab, Asian Wipro, HDFC Bank, Dr. Reddy's, Manapuram, STR, PVR, PEL, Ambuja. So let's look at, we had a call on Dr. Reddy's. Dr. Reddy's, within maybe about 10 minutes, the market, I mean, the target was done. We said buy above 4475 and target, actually it was 4495. So this is the call 43,800, 345, which yes, we did hit 410 the second time, maybe at the end of the day. But typically in the morning, it was very range bound. It was no much of a movement and nothing much of a profit in the bank nifty. But yes, we did make good profit uh, in the put side. 18,700. We said above 72, we may see 85. Uh, Balkrishna, as I said, the equity we traded a bit. This 18,550, 170, but then we later saw the market was flat. We told book, and within a couple of minutes, we gave this 18,850 call at 168. This made high of 210. So not much of a profitable day, just few trades here and there, and much on the equity front. Uh, Must they all. Uh, so let's look at the levels for tomorrow. Uh, what typically, if you look at the option chain data, Nifty has huge call writers at 18,700. In fact, the market was not able to move above this level almost throughout the day. It just came near that and moved down. So the call writers are holding very strong in Nifty. There is of course 18600 put writers holding and providing support. So if market moves down, I would probably look to go short if price tends to move down below this level of 18,621. My first target may possibly be somewhere close to 18,520 levels or so. Below this, I could we could also see market may head towards 18,400 to 360 also. So these are not trading calls. Please remember, these are just views of what I am looking at or what are the levels I'm looking at. If you want, pure calls, especially the options, we need to uh, understand that options, the premiums move when there is a high volatility or high movement in the market. So if Nifty uh, moves up above this range, I might look at the target of 18,790, and above this we could even see 18,940 levels or so, or 890 to. So this is the range. Bank Nifty has good support with put writers at 40 at equal intervals. 43,500 is a very strong support with the puts holding the fort. 44,000, the call writers are standing strong and they feel that market may not move above these levels. So all again depends on how market, what big players want to take the market. My levels for tomorrow, or my view is, if Bank Nifty is not able to move in this wave, currently it has a good trend line support. If it moves down below this, then there is a possibility that it may first hit 43,850 and 43,750 levels or so. The next support or next level would be 43, 6, 590 levels also. But as I said, please understand it all again depends on the FOMC statement, what Jerome is going to say. If he is hawkish, also it is fine. Even if they increase the rates by, even if they increase, there would be not much of an impact. But then if the statement is negative, then there is definitely going to be a strong impact on the market, especially maybe towards the downside. Uh, so as I mentioned, if Bank Nifty starts to move up, my first target would be 44,194. Above this, I would look at 44, 400 levels or so. So for live calls, live updates, I would request you all to join our Telegram channel. You may also join our WhatsApp link. I will share that in the link here. Can we go long as it Kotak Bank is near support? Earlier you told na ki 44k is not possible in this month as big players and call writers at 44k. Okay, 44k. This is for the week, sir. There are call writers, yes, at 44k, but no option chain, no price action will work in when there is news. During news time, market can do anything. Okay, there is no respect for data or FO or the news also. And I'm not sure when I mentioned market will not move above 44. In fact, yesterday uh, I mentioned I'm going to hold Bank Nifty for the next day, the long side. If you would want to, uh, give me a minute. I'm so sorry. Give me a minute. I think, sir, you are seem to be slightly mistaken, sir. I in fact told I'm holding longs for tomorrow, which was 44050, and this I told yesterday that I'm holding Bank Nifty longs. In fact, today also I mentioned no shorting of Bank Nifty because Bank Nifty is very strong. Uh, I gave this view in, let me show you where I had mentioned this. I had shared this charts of Nifty. Bank Nifty cannot be shorter. Big layers are very bullish. So I'm not sure. Also, we need to understand just because the call writers are sitting here, it's not that they will not allow the market to move up. Once the price starts breaking this level, they automatically cover their positions. They take the losses and they move to the next level. Either they can move towards the put side, they may start writing puts, or they may start writing 44,700 also, or 45,000 call also. So market is very dynamic. It is ever changing. The only one thing which is constant is change. Every day market keeps changing. Today, in fact, I was telling we will not short bank nifty. Yes, but then we took put on nifty, and we did. If you see 18,550, uh, we bought at around 168, 168 levels, and this went to around 210. Now in the morning, I was selling. Market seems to be pretty strong. Nifty is also strong. Bank Nifty, yes, from the last 2 days, I've been telling that it is bullish. So let's understand market is dynamic and it keeps changing, and we need to be adaptive to the market. Let us not get biased. That's one of the reasons generally I avoid sharing where the market can head. I always try to give calls. Rather, I would be happy to give trades whenever there's a good trade setup. Market can move anytime, and because I have told tomorrow market can come down, that doesn't mean when the market opens we go buy put. We have to wait for the right opportunity, right time. Otherwise, your options, the option premiums get killed. Also, I would be making one video on Hero Zero, uh, maybe a later point in the day, today evening. When does it work? What time does it work? And basis the number of subscribers, I would also probably share a couple of simple strategies to determine what trade to take and what time. So tomorrow, not much of stocks I have in my radar. I have only Cipla, which I would be probably watching. This typically uh, has been consolidating for some time at this price. And if you see, this looks like a shoulder. This looks like a head. The other right shoulder is yet to form. If price moves below 1075 or 1085 also in the coming days, there is a possibility that this can move towards 1000 levels or even 980 levels also. So let us wait to watch for tomorrow. If Cipla is moving above this price, then I would look at first target of 1152 and 1190. So thank you all for your time. I hope Kotak. Kotak, I think Kotak. I remember there is shorts being built up still, sir. Give me a minute. Let me check the charts. Mm, Kotak Bank is a daily support. Uh, doesn't matter whether market will take remove all supports, throw away all resistances. So there is nothing called either supports and just a moment. I'm looking at the chart. Kotak, I remember there was a bit of short build-up which was being done today. So I'm still not very convinced to go long in this. There can be a bit of retracement uh, in Kotak, possibly. I would probably go long in Kotak. Let me remove all the drawings to make it more easier for all of you to follow. This is a channel down. Kotak, I'm still not convinced to go long. As of now, I think still there is the it has to complete this wave. This is wave one, two, three, four. So currently it is in the corrective mode. So there is a possibility that it may still go up to 1820 once, and then maybe we can, then it may consolidate, and depending on the market structure, I would if it forms like this and starts moving up, then I would typically go long. However, if it just keeps going down like this, then we may see 1780 also. Uh, though there has been some positive movement, we need to see if I think I will go long once price sustains above this level and maybe this 1903. So if you're looking for a short-term perspective for target of 1990, then I would go long only if price sustains above this. Currently, it looks slightly bearish, but on an intraday, yes, given an opportunity, if I see some 10 points, I would definitely go long. So this is my view for gold, silver. So gold, Nifty Bank Nifty, I have already shared my levels. Request to go back to my video and have a look. Gold and silver. Gold and silver. Gold should start moving up. Uh, this is a very strong support region which I had shared earlier, which came down below this. Uh, Now currently gold may move down towards this level, but then may consolidate. But please buy or start accumulating gold till the January and hold it for next 1 year because gold can go back higher to 1900, 2020 levels also by the end of 2023. By maybe October, we may see these levels. So you may add as a SIP. Uh, Currently, the possibility on a intraday is gold is actually towards the short side. Uh, if it moves below this level, then I see gold coming heading towards 1804 to 1792. Silver, of course, should also follow the same. Structure looks slightly downside. I hope that dollar does not become strong. Dollar has been weak. If the news can stir up dollar and start moving up again, uh, then we may even see the market slowly coming down. Though typically Nifty, Bank Nifty on the uh, is bullish. Uh, on an intraday basis, there will be definitely some small down moves because dollar is down to a large extent. The stock markets and gold others are all on the positive side. So thank you, sir. Thank you for the session. I hope you all have continued to make profit. Keep joining us. And in a short while, I'll make a separate video of when to trade Hero Zero, what time, and a small view of how it works. Thank you so much.